footsteps in the rain, like yesterday came back again. The window holds a fading light, and I'm still calling you tonight.
Every drop falls on my heart, reminding me where we fell apart. I thought the years would make me free, but every storm brings you to me.
I close my eyes and see your face, standing with me in that old place. Though you're so far away tonight, I feel your hand beneath the light. When the rain remembers you, I remember loving you. Every tear that falls tonight feels like your goodbye. If the clouds could turn back time, I'd make your heart stay close to mine. Even though you're gone from view, when it rains, I come back to you.